everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. As you all know, Pratha has launched its own line of ready-made blouses, and these blouses are available in both our stores. They're also available online. You have to order through WhatsApp. All these blouses will soon be uploaded to our website also. So today I thought I'm wearing a Pratha sari. I'm wearing this very beautiful soft silk saree from our collection. It's a very pretty peacock green color. It has this border on just one single side in golden and silver zari. Very pretty saree, and I have worn this saree with a beautiful blouse from our collection. So this blouse is a woven fabric. It is like a brocade fabric, but it's not with zari. So it's a beautiful woven fabric blouse. I am wearing a size 38. We have different sizes, right from 34 to 42, 44 as well. In some blouses, these are the blouses that we have in standard sizes, which is 38 to 40 with a margin. So you can also alter them out. I'm just going to show you a few blouses today because we were just arranging this section, so I thought I'll quickly show the blouses that we have in our collection. Some of them, this is just a glimpse of our collection. So the one that I'm wearing is a beautiful multicolored woven fabric. This is one more color that we have in the blouse that I'm wearing. It's a very pretty blouse. The one that I am wearing is a size 38 and this is a size 36. This is a nice shade of, this is a nice base of red and it has different colors all through it. Just look at it closely. It has this beautiful golden zari as well. Very pretty blouse. So the price of this particular blouse is 2350. थोडंसं साइजेस प्रमाणे प्राइस वेरी होऊ शकतात. तुम्ही जस्ट एक स्क्रीनशॉट काढा आणि आमच्या व्हॉट्सॲप टीमला सांगा. इफ यू लाईक एनी ऑफ दीज ब्लाउजेस, जस्ट टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट अँड सेंड इट टू आवर व्हॉट्सॲप टीम. मोस्ट ऑफ दीज ब्लाउजेस आर अवेलेबल ॲट आवर स्टोर्स, so they can readily be shipped immediately. However, if we have to place an order, the blouses will be available in about a week's time. Okay, now I have to show you one more pattern which is very pretty. It is another woven fabric. So this one is in a nice brown base. It has this beautiful zari brocade weaving all throughout. The style of this blouse is very simple. It is not too deep. It is not too deep in the front. It is not too deep at the back as well. So the same style is for this fabric also. This is a size 38. The price of this particular blouse is only 1620 rupees. This includes a GST. We'll only add a nominal shipping amount if we have to ship these blouses out. So this is one color. Then this is the next color. It's a beautiful maroonish red. This is available in size 36. So this is in size 36. Then we have a very pretty wine in this. So imagine a nice plain sari, single colored sari. You can also wear saris like single colored kanjivaram, single colored paithanis with these kind of blouses. They look very pretty. So this is another color. We have a very beautiful black zari brocade also with this. So the zari brocade is also very contemporary. It's not too traditional. The design is not too typical, so you can definitely wear these blouses with contemporary saris also. You can wear for example, you can wear it with a nice georgette sari. You can wear it with a linen sari. It will still look nice. So we've tried to keep these blouses such that you can team them up with different saris and still manage to style them well. So yes, this is a size 36. Once again, the price is 1620. Okay, so these were the 4 colors that I showed in this particular pattern. Moving on to the next pattern, I have another woven fabric. It is this beautiful chutney green color that we have. This particular fabric is again in resham brocade. However, the brocade on this, if you see closely, it is again it has no zari on it. It is all resham brocade in multicolored threads. However, from a distance, it looks like zari brocade, right? So you can wear this with a nice silk zari bordered sari. It will still look traditional, or you can choose to wear these blouses with simple cotton saris like silk cotton ikats. You can team them up with tissue linens. You can team them up with cotton paithanis. You can wear these blouses with a variety of saris. So yes, this is it. This is a size 34 and the price of this particular blouse is 1650. Okay, so this is one color. Then we have this beautiful Rama. It's a nice blue color, Firozi blue Rama kind of a color. This is again size 34. This is 1650. And then we have a beautiful bottle green in this. This is size 40. Okay, all these blouses are padded. If you want, you can remove the pads, but however, that needs to be altered. These pads are not removable in terms of wearing them readily. So yes, this is the next one. Again, another size 40. It's a nice magenta color. So these were our simple styled sleeved blouses with sleeves. Now I have this very pretty set of blouses here with me. One is halter neck and one is a beautiful deep neck sleeveless blouse. So yes, this is the first one. So these are, you can just actually show these blouses like this because it's difficult to hold them in my hand. So this is the first one. It's a very, very beautiful pure silk material. It's a nice fabric feel. Very, very comfortable and easy to wear. The fit of these blouses is also very nice. If you see, the finishing is very nice. So yes, the price of these blouses is only 1700. This is this orange is a size 36. Then we have this beautiful bronze brown kind of a color. This is size 36. Once again, we have this lovely Rama, deep Rama, and we have this beautiful bluish purple color. So these were this is I think size 34. Let me check. Yes, this is size 34. So this is another style that we have. You can, so for younger girls, those who want to make their saris look a little trendier, those who want to wear their mom's sari, however, they want to style it in their own way, we have these beautiful trendy blouses for you all. Now this is the next pattern. It's a very, very beautiful sleeveless blouse. It has this lovely deeper neck detailing on the front and a beautiful lace on the bottom on front and back. It's a nice V. Okay, so this is a size 34. The price of this particular blouse is 1950. Raw silk material. Let me show you the other colors that we have in this. We have this very beautiful maroon, very pretty shade of maroon. This is a size 38. We have sizes right from 34 to 40 in this particular pattern, and we have this one. So these are the colors that we have in this particular sleeveless pattern. We keep getting newer colors, and we, especially the blouses collection that we have here at Pratha, is mainly to help you all to style your silk saris in a better manner, because Pratha is mainly about handloom silk saris, and handloom silk saris are usually the saris that you pass on, you borrow, and a lot of times you want to wear a silk sari which does not belong to you. It belongs to your mother or your friend or your aunt or your grandmom. So when you borrow these saris, these kind of blouses are going to help you style them better, and the same sari can look different, new, trendier with a different type of blouse. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this collection. We have a huge collection of blouses. So please, if you have any saris with you, just connect with our WhatsApp team. They'll help you style it with different blouses that we have in stock. Thank you. Keep watching.